Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron a dress without an iron box. You can easily remove wrinkles using common household items. A steamy bathroom is excellent for relaxing fabric, or try a damp towel for pressing out creases. For quick fixes, a hairdryer can smooth out smaller wrinkles on your dress. These methods are simple and effective for keeping your clothes looking sharp. Handheld steamers are fantastic for quickly refreshing your dress and removing stubborn wrinkles. If you don't have one, a simple DIY wrinkle release spray made with water and a little fabric softener works wonders. Just spray lightly and smooth the fabric. Another great trick is to hang your dress in a steamy bathroom while you shower. The steam will naturally relax the fibers. For delicate areas like collars or cuffs, a hair straightener on its lowest heat setting can act as a mini iron. Just be careful and test a small, hidden area first. For larger sections, place your dress under a heavy book or mattress overnight to press out wrinkles. Rolling your dress tightly when packing also helps prevent new creases from forming. For a super quick fix, toss your dress in the dryer with a damp cloth for about 10 minutes. The steam will work wonders. Once it's out, smooth the fabric by hand while it's still warm to set the wrinkle-free look. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.